So I've got my tray ready and I'll just lightly grease that. And we're using pre-rolled pastry and it's short crust. And I've just popped a little bit of flour on to stop it sticking. So we just need to cut these out. And we're only doing little bite-sized ones as well today. And then we'll just pop them into a tray, just like we did when we were making those gem tarts, trying to get them as even as possible and push as much air out from the edges at the same time. And now we've done that, I'm going to blind bake them for about 10-15 minutes, about 175. And then I've got some broccoli. And you don't need a lot because we're going to chop it into really small pieces, but we do need to give it a quick boil to soften it first. While we're waiting for that broccoli, we're going to crack a couple of eggs into this jug. And add a bit of milk. And that should be enough. And we'll give that a bit of a whisk. I've also got some spring onion tops, which I cut fresh in greenhouse this morning. And we're going to chop these into really small pieces. And we're going to use them as a bit of a top dressing. And it's going to add a nice little bit of flavour to it at the same time. So next thing I want to do is just prep some of this Stilton. And we just need small amounts of it. So I'm just going to cut it into little pieces. And then I'll do the same with this broccoli that we've pre-boiled, and it's now nice and soft. And they've finished baking in oven. So they're just nice and firm now. And we'll start adding little bits to each one. The key to making things like this is to not overfill. Then we'll do the same with broccoli. Very small amounts. And we'll add some of that egg mixture as well. And we just want to cover that veg and cheese. And this measure is a tablespoon. And to finish off, a little sprinkle of those onion greens. Now you can pop them in your oven, preheated at 180 for about 15 to 20 minutes, but keep the eye on them. You might have noticed we've got quite a bit of mixture left, but it's not going to go to waste because we'll just add all that to this bigger jug. I'll drop in the rest of that broccoli as well. Then I'm going to add some regular cheese, much as you like. And we'll give that a good mix. And I've got another little tin there, which I've also greased. And we'll put all that mixture in there. And then I'll sprinkle over the rest of those onions. And that quick, we've made a crustless quiche, so that can go in oven at the same time. So just over 15 minutes later, and we've got those. They look amazing and they smell amazing. So 2 really nice little snacks we've made there, and it took around half an hour. Give those a try, let me know what you think. And if you want to see what other vegetable dishes we're going to be doing over the next few weeks, then please hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell. and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.